Welcome to Sir Fritz Social Studies class in Introduction to the Philosophy of the Human Person. And in this video recorded discussion, we will be focusing on our topic in prudence. So let's begin our discussion. And there are core theoretical concepts that we need to review regarding prudence from the word phronesis. Okay, from Aristotle's Nicomachean Ethics. It is a moral intellectual virtue that enables a person to choose the right means to the right ends. So therefore, prudence is an intellectual virtue. So therefore, it happens in the mind. Okay, it is something that we value as a person, that we keep it in our mind. Okay, and by keeping it in our mind, it enables us to make better decisions. We understand what we consider to be right and what will its result. Okay, so kung asa siya padung. So our actions are therefore being thought about. So atong ginahuna og maayo kung unsay padungan sa atong mga decisions and actions in life. And that is what prudence is all about. So it becomes a bridge between knowledge and action. So therefore, we know something, and before we do it into action, put it into action, there is a process that took place. So naay mga process nga nahitabo, okay, before it is conducted into an action. So that is what prudence is, from the Greek word phronesis, according to Aristotle's Nicomachean Ethics. And when we talk about prudence, we also have to understand that our actions are deliberated, okay, from the deliberation or boliosis. Okay, it is the act of considering various possibilities before choosing various possibilities. So before we do the action or before we make the decisions, we tend to comprehend every details, okay, and the possibilities kung asa gyud na siya padung ang mga gipang decision na gidedesisyonan nato o ang atong mga buluhaton. Okay, so it is a deliberate act. So it includes foresight. Okay, we think about the future. It is also about judgment. We make criticism of what we have in mind and its possibilities, and also moral reasoning. We balance things of what is good and bad. Okay, so therefore, a person who is prudent is also moral. Okay, because an action has been deliberated, it has been reviewed, okay, in a multi-perspective manner. So daghang tang gitan-aw, okay, before an action nabuhat. Also, a prudent person is a consequential thinker. Okay, so we think about the consequences, a method of evaluating choices based on their immediate and long-term outcomes. So, a method, it is a method of evaluating choices. Okay, so therefore, we try to understand our choices and immediate and long-term outcomes. So it's like foresight. But there are consequences that we consider. So our actions happens first in the mind. Okay, it has been thoughtfully reviewed in our mind, but we also think of its consequences. Unsay resulta, unsay padungan sa tanan natong gihunahuna ug ang gusto natong mahitabo. Okay, not just for personal benefit, but the impact on others and society. So we think about ourselves, the others, and the greater number of people. Okay, so therefore a prudent person thinks about itself, others, and the greater number of people, the society, ang kadaghanan. Okay, so we think of the outcomes of our action. Also, a prudent person is a moral agent, okay, has its moral agency. Okay, so the idea is that individuals are responsible for their choices. So, as a person, since we are the one who is thinking about things and balancing everything in our mind, okay, therefore, when we put it into action, we are responsible for it. Okay? So therefore, kita mo hinungdan nganong nabuhat og nahimo na. Okay? So we must be conscious about it. Okay? Because freedom is not merely the ability to choose, but choosing with reason, conscience, and accountability. So, yes, we are given the freedom to think about things, but when we put it into action, okay, therefore we must have the right reason. Okay, nganong gibuhat na siya. We also have the right conscience, meaning we have the right feelings of what is good and bad. And accountability. We must claim it as ours. Kaya wa may laing nagbuhat ana. Okay, wa man say laing naghunahunaan na kundi ikaw gyud as a person. Okay? As a person, we are responsible and accountable for our decisions or choices. Okay, and also, prudence has its golden mean. According to Aristotle's concept of virtue, is a balance between extremes. Okay? So just like courage is the mean between recklessness and cowardice. So therefore, to be virtuous person, okay, a person who is capable of thinking about good things, okay, we need to be balanced. So if you want, it's not about being reckless, it's also not being about coward, but courage is the balance virtue or the state of mind. Okay, so prudence helps identify that balance. So therefore dili ta palabi o go to the left or go to the right, so we don't go to the extremes to be virtuous. So prudence do not want us to be extremely left or extremely right. It wants us to be balanced. Okay. So we have here a scenario where we can apply prudence in real life. So the situation, like peer pressure to cheat. So um, on its impulsive reaction, meaning nakalitan, nadala sa feelings, okay, yield for an easy grade. So the peer pressure to cheat, kung magpadala sa feelings or impulsion, kalit-kalit nga panghitabo, okay, or reaction, then it would lead to yielding for an easy grade. So, mo cheat gid ang tao. Okay, but a person who is prudent will think of the long term and value of honesty and self-worth. So therefore, dili gina siya mangupya. Okay? So because that person is prudent. Also, in the next scenario or situation, we have sending allowance on wants or spending allowance on wants. Okay, so if you are an impulsive person, you are easily caught by the emotion, the stimulus, the feelings. Okay, you would buy it impulsively. So, mo din gasto ng kwarta. Okay, but if you are a prudent person, okay, if you are a balanced person, you don't go extremely right or left. Okay, you understand and reviewed your emotions and your actions. Okay, you will budget needs versus wants and save for the future because you are thinking for the long term. That's foresight. Okay, the ability to think of the consequences of our action. Okay, another situation, responding in anger. Yes, anger is an emotion. So, kung magpadala sa emotion, we speak harshly. Okay, walay preno. So, therefore, we are caught off guard. We go to the extremes na. So, kay kani, anger man, extremely right na ni siya. Okay? But, If we are a prudent person, a balanced person, we pause to reflect, we choose words that heal and not harm. Okay, because we are thinking about the consequences. Okay, and another situation is choosing friends. Okay, so if you are impulsive person, you easily caught by that emotion, you base it on popularity. Eh, famous man na ang tao, daghang kailad, and therefore you will go there. You follow the crowd. Okay. You forgot to think rationally, or you forgot to think about the other matters, the details. Okay. So, dili na comprehensive imong action. Okay. Because you are caught uh, off by the popularity of how also others do it. But if you are a prudent person, okay, then you will choose people with shared values and respect. Okay, because you are thinking of the long term. You are thinking about your experience with one another as time goes by. Okay, so therefore, you are having a perception of the coming days. So, na nakay panglantaw when it comes to your decision. So, prudent makes us become rational being. So, therefore, we are governed by reasons. Okay, and our reasons happen because we think about it. We are not caught off by others. Okay, action. Okay, nibuhat tag action not because sa rason sa uban but because of ourself. And that is prudence. Okay. And yes, if you have your takeaways, you can write it in your notebook as you listen to this discussion. Okay, that's it. And we will proceed to the next topic.